Thanks students, how are you all? Hope so you are fine. Today we are discussing branch account problems, that is question paper problem I'm doing today. So May June 2019 question paper I'm solving the following problem. So see question number 15. So this question is related to the branch account. So what you have to prepare here? Prepare branch account and memorandum debtors account. So in this video I'm doing a best method for you, different and easy method. See, so this problem I'm dividing three parts. So first part is opening balance and closing balance. So this is the first part. In opening balance and closing balance, I taken the opening and closing both, stock, debtors, petty cash and furniture. So these are the openings, and closings are stock, petty cash. So these are the closings. So I written here part 1, that is stock, debtor, petty cash and furniture. So these are the opening balances I written here. So these are the closing balances, but closing balance only two items given here. One is a stock, another one is petty cash. So in debtors and furniture not given in the problem, so we have to find out. So that is the question mark. Furniture and debtor we have to find out. So debtor account, when we are opening the debtor account, at that time we will get the debtor's closing balance. So in furniture, so in the problem what he given, so depreciation on furniture at 10% is given here. So that's why I taken 10% depreciation. So that is 30,000 rupees is the opening balance of the furniture. 30,000 into 10%, that is 3,000 is the depreciation. 30,000 minus 3,000 will get the 27,000. This 27,000 is the closing furniture or furniture. This is the closing furniture, 27,000. Got it? So this one you will get the later. So this is the part 1. Second part 2, goods sent to branch. So here, so these items over, and closing items, so two items are already over. So now I'll take the goods sent to branch. It's related to the goods sent to branch. This goods sent to branch, so how much they sent? 3,50,000 rupees they sent. So that's why I written here 3,50,000 sent the branch. Head office sent some expenses to branch, so that expenses I written here. So already you know that. See, cash sent to branch for expenses, rent, salary and petty cash. So I written here rent, salary, petty cash. So item amount, these are the amount. Next, goods returned by the branch. So returned to head office, that is 1,000 rupees. This is the second part, goods sent to branch. Third part I'm doing, it's related to the sales. And this sales is a cash sales and credit sales. So means the debtor will come here. So see next, cash sales, credit sales, cash received from the debtors. So these items I left to write sales return, and discount to customers, bad debts. So these items comes to the part 3. So sales, dividing the cash sales and credit sales. So cash sales given, credit sales also given. I taken here. Next, cash received. So they received cash received from the debtors. I written here. In credit sales we are dividing. So that is these items are included in the credit sales. Which items? These are the expenses: discount allowed, sales return and bad debts. So you got it. Discount to customers means discount allowed, bad debts and sales return. It's here sales return. So these are related to the credit sales. So this question I'm dividing three parts. Maybe you got it. Part 1, opening balance and closing balance. Part 2, goods sent to branch. Third part, it's related to the sales. Sales means that is a debtors and credit sales and cash sales. Okay, now solve the problem. So Osturga branch account I am preparing, and memorandum of debtors account we are preparing. Only two account. So we have the information, everything information it's here. So first we'll check part 1 now, where it will come. So part 1 now, there is a opening balancer comes to the branch account debit side, all debit side. Okay, debit side means a stock debtor, petty cash and furniture. Opening balance branch account debit side. Closing balance branch account credit side. Branch account credit side. Is it clear? In branch account, so these are the debit side, these are the credit side. So debtor account, this debtor opening is comes to the even memorandum debtors account debit side and credit side. So we have to take there only. Next, part 2. Part 2, goods sent to the branch, that is 3,50,000. Branch account debit side. This is branch account debit side, and all expenses also debit side branch account. And these goods returned by branch is a credit side. So because this is goes out, that's why credit side. Next, cash sales. This is cash sales. Nothing sales that is received the cash already. So that's why this is the branch account credit side. Credit sales, so already you know that when you come to the credit sales, it automatically debtors account to debit side. Debtors account. Cash received, so we are taking both account here. So branch account credit side and memorandum debtor account to credit side. So cash received. Next, discount allowed and sales return and bad debts. So these are debtors account to credit side. Debtors account means memorandum of debtors account credit side. We got it. So just I'm putting the amount now.